Hey guys, this is Riddhi Radia from Tech by our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to download and install SQL Server Management Studio. So let's land to our desktop screen, and in browser you can search for SQL Server. And click on this link provided by Microsoft. Here there are two options, Developer 1 and Express 1. I will be downloading Express 1. After downloading, it will ask for installation type, so we will select custom. You can change your file path from browse option available here. After selecting the path, click on install. If your PC is old or your internet connection is slow, you need to have patience here because it is going to take lot of time. After installation, just go to installation part here and then click on new SQL server. Just click on checkbox to accept terms. Now just click on next to complete installation. Now we'll just do next. Make sure here it is named instance. Don't forget to select mixed mode here. Now here you will have to enter password, confirm that password and click on next. Till it gets installed, let's download SQL Server Management Studio. Here our SQL Server is installed. Close it. Now to install SQL Server Management Studio, click on install. It has been downloaded. Now let's open it by searching SQL Server Management Studio on our PC. So it's right here. Click on it and open it. From browse for more option available here, you can change server name and set to this SQL Express 1. So we'll click on OK. Connect. So just select on new query. Here I will type select @ server name to check whether it is executing or not. So after typing query, we'll click on execute option available here. So it's working properly. If you love the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Tech by RR.
You're a superhero.